Welcome to our grower workshop. Today, I'll be showing you how to install the GROHE Body Sprays in 5 easy steps, using 3 angular versions as an example here. The concealed body has a 1/2-inch connection thread. The depth range must be considered for the shell installation. The finished wall must end in this range later. Now it's time to install the GROHE Body Sprays. First of all, lay the foundations. The body sprays are installed into or behind the wall beforehand. How the showers are installed depends on the specific wall construction. When connecting the pipes, consider what the smart box is going to be used for later. The connection diagram differs here depending on which components are to be connected. In our example, this is a head shower, a hand shower, and 3 body sprays. Let's move on to the final assembly. Reading the assembly instructions is, of course, always helpful. Before starting installation, the shower tree should be covered to protect it against damage. Then remove the protection caps and screw out the drain stoppers. Now cut the concealed body flush with the wall. The gap between the wall and box should be sealed with silicone to stop moisture from getting in. Now it's time to install the body sprays. Simply screw them in with the supplied tool and tighten by hand. Then insert the chrome trims and adjust them. Done. Now test once and check for leaks. The spray patterns can be adjusted by turning the nozzles during operation. The angle of the spray can also be adjusted by hand. Perfect. Let's move on to the handover. Before the job is done, there are still a few things left to check. Job done. That was easy, wasn't it?